Welcome to Secret of Blogging. In this video lecture, I will provide you how I am getting traffic from Quora, and this is another secret tips I will provide in this video. So, getting traffic from Quora, it's organic traffic, and you will definitely get success in blogging medium or career. And you will find my website traffic right now, and most recent I'll just click, and here I'll provide you my average position up to last 3 months. I will just click 3 months average position. My you will see that average position my is at. Okay, so how I am getting traffic from Quora, and here is the simple tips to getting traffic from Quora. This is my Quora's dashboard, and you will find here the 58,000 traffic I will getting from Quora, and I'll explain you how and where you can give the questions answer here to get traffic in your website. Last Monday I have put one post here, and you will see there is 17 views, 1 views on Monday, and another post I have just started 11 views. And here you can put simply one post, or simply you will provide a questions answer, so you will definitely get a traffic in your website. So how to get questions answer? Just click search Quora. I will just search in girls related questions. Okay, just select here a questions, and here you can simply follow my tips. Just what is the best way to impress a girls? Okay, this question you will be open, and here you can simply see here followers more than 2000. So simply here you can put your questions answer here. Simply write any questions, simply write here answer whatever you are thinking about the best way to impress a girl. Okay, so simply I have just copy and paste some Google's article here, and simply I have given here link, my website link. Okay, and here you can put any image, girls image, which is very beautiful girls. So simply followers come your post and see your girls picture, and simply click here read more. So simply they will redirect to your website again. So this is my website, and here you can find the loads of traffic. Okay, so simply you can go here and simply write your questions, search your question, and just remember that which questions followers is more than 2000, then you can write answer. Okay, just here you can simply go jobs. If your website is jobs related, just simply go and search in jobs questions, go to questions, and here you can find the question list. Here you can just focus on followers. If more than 22,000 followers, just simply answer it. Here you can write your answer. Why do so many people hate their jobs? Just simply copy that questions and go to Google, and here you can find the related answer. Okay, just copy that any one article, just make it unique and paste it, and also provide the your website link. Okay, here you can put your questions 5 tips. Okay, just copy that tips here, some of the main reason. Okay, just copy. Here you can go and Google Translate, okay, open that Google Translate, and just open it. Here you can paste it, convert from English to Hindi. Okay, just copy it, duplicate tab. Here you can copy that Hindi to English again and just copy that content and paste it here, answer sheet. And last line you can just simply here you can provide read more. Here you can write read more. Okay, and here you can provide your jobs website link indnaukri.com. This is my main website, and here you can just copy that link and provide that link to here, read more. Make it hyperlink here. Okay, just redirect some people to your main website. Okay, so simply you can select that read more, and here you can go to here, and here you can paste your main website link, and again you can bold it and remove that link from here. Okay, so simply that person will be come to your article questions answer and simply read more. Just make it beautiful. So that readability is very good, so some people will be definitely come to your website. Here you can simply put any images related to jobs. Okay, but here no need to provide. Okay, just post it. Okay, so this is the question I have answered. Why do so many people hate their jobs? So some of the main reason why you don't love your jobs are here I am putting, and here the link. So simply someone is coming to my website. So this is the simple tips I will provide to grow your website traffic. Okay, thank you for watching.